The United States Navy continues to assert its global maritime dominance by integrating the cutting-edge F-35 Lightning II fighter jets onto its largest aircraft carrier, the USS Gerald R. Ford. This unprecedented move marks a significant leap forward in carrier strike capabilities, fusing stealth technology, advanced sensors, and precision strike systems with the immense reach of the Navy's most advanced nuclear-powered supercarrier.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Takeoff channel.
Commissioned in 2017, the USS Gerald R. Ford represents the most powerful aircraft carrier ever built. Displacing over 100,000 tons and measuring more than 1,100 feet in length, this warship is equipped with next-generation technology, including the electromagnetic aircraft launch system, dual-band radar, and enhanced arresting gear systems. But its most formidable upgrade may now be the deployment of the F-35C, the carrier-based variant of the Joint Strike Fighter. Revolutionizing naval aviation. The Lockheed Martin F-35C is designed specifically for carrier operations. With a larger wingspan, reinforced landing gear, and tailhook, the jet is built to endure the rigors of catapult launches and arrested landings. Unlike legacy aircraft, the F-35C delivers stealth, sensor fusion, and unparalleled situational awareness. With its integration, Navy pilots can now conduct operations far beyond the reach of traditional enemy defenses. The F-35C's stealth profile allows it to evade radar detection and penetrate contested airspace, making it a vital tool for both first strike missions and fleet defense. The aircraft is also equipped with the most advanced mission systems ever installed on a fighter jet, including the Distributed Aperture System, Electro-Optical Targeting System, and the Active Electronically Scanned Array Radar. These features allow pilots to detect, track, and engage targets long before they are detected themselves. Pilots at the helm of a new era. Navy aviators are undergoing intensive training to master this fifth-generation jet, combining traditional flight expertise with digital warfare proficiency. Many of these pilots are veterans of earlier generation aircraft like the F-18 Super Hornet, and transitioning to the F-35C requires both classroom instruction and simulator-based training before actual carrier qualifications. Landing a jet on a moving deck in high seas is already among the most complex maneuvers in aviation. Doing so in a stealth fighter packed with sensitive electronics and sensor suites adds an entirely new dimension. However, thanks to features like advanced flight control systems and the Joint Precision Approach and Landing System, pilots are achieving higher landing success rates even in adverse conditions. The F-35C enhances every aspect of naval aviation, said a senior pilot aboard the Ford. It gives us the reach, survivability, and firepower we need to dominate modern threats. A carrier designed for the future. The Gerald R. Ford is not just a floating airport. It's a high-tech command hub capable of supporting 75-plus aircraft with improved sortie rates and better crew accommodations.
Supply and demand.
Its electromagnetic aircraft launch system allows faster, smoother takeoffs and reduces stress on the airframes. With increased electrical power, it is also future-proofed for integrating next-generation weapons, including lasers and electromagnetic railguns. Bringing the F-35C aboard the Ford was always a planned part of the ship's evolution. However, years of coordination between engineers, pilots, and deck crews were required to ensure seamless integration. Maintenance personnel had to learn how to support the F-35C's complex systems, while logistical chains were adapted for new spare parts and specialized tools. The result is a deadly and flexible force projection tool capable of responding to threats across the globe, from peer adversaries to asymmetric challenges. Strategic impact on global power projection. As geopolitical tensions increase in regions like the Indo-Pacific, Eastern Europe, and the Middle East, the U.S. Navy's ability to deploy fifth-generation air power from virtually anywhere in the world provides unmatched strategic leverage. A fully armed Gerald R. Ford with a wing of F-35Cs can operate independently or as a fleet strike group, delivering deterrence and combat power in hours. Moreover, the jet's ability to work in tandem with other F-35 variants, used by the Marines and Allied forces, strengthens coalition interoperability. The U.S. Navy is also working closely with Allied navies to ensure seamless joint operations with carriers from the United Kingdom, Japan, and Australia, many of which are also fielding F-35B. A symbol of U.S. naval supremacy. The deployment of the F-35C aboard the USS Gerald R. Ford is more than just a technological upgrade. It symbolizes a broader transformation of naval warfare. With fifth-generation aircraft now fully integrated into carrier operations, the Navy is positioned to face evolving threats head-on, with unmatched precision, speed, and lethality. As these formidable jets soar from the deck of the world's most advanced warship, the message is clear. The U.S. Navy is not just prepared for the future, it is defining it.